Looking for the best Danby dehumidifiers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Danby dehumidifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Danby ArcticAire 30 Pint Dehumidifier. Pros: bucket holds 30 pints. Easily manages areas up to 1,500 square feet. Direct drain option. Energy Star rated. Optimized for cold weather. Wheeled design. Air filter is easily cleaned. Fairly affordable. Cons: unless you plan on attaching a garden hose, expect to empty out this dehumidifier fairly often. Bottom line: made for handling cooler environments and areas like bathrooms, closets, and small bedrooms, even the smallest ArcticAire will fill up its 30-pint bucket more quickly than you'd expect it to. At number 2, Danby 20-Pint Dehumidifier. Pros: this impressive unit has an auto restart function that ensures the dehumidifier will automatically start back up after a power failure. The direct drain feature allows you to run a hose to a floor drain, no need to manually empty the reservoir. Cons: it's very small. Potential buyers should make sure it's suitable for the intended space. Bottom line: a feature-packed dehumidifier for a desirable price. Designed for spaces up to 1,500 square feet. At number 1, Danby 50-Pint Dehumidifier. Pros: the smart mode takes the guesswork out of setting it to the proper level. The fan speed and humidity automatically adjust based on environmental conditions. Unit comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty that begins on the date of purchase. Cons: as with all dehumidifiers, this model releases significantly warmer but drier air into the room. Bottom line: this large capacity Danby dehumidifier is Energy Star rated and capable of removing up to 50 pints of moisture every 24 hours. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.